Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this letter craft activity. This video is specially for toddlers and preschool teachers. Teachers will create interest in children to tell how to write and learn easily in such a manner that they feel happy and love to do work. They can integrate art with English in such a way children can learn easily. So today we are making a letter craft with letter L. L says L. So let's start to do it. Firstly we do it in a craft way. So we cut the papers in this rectangular way. By this way we can tell to the student this is a rectangle shape. So firstly paste a rectangle. We can give them the two rectangles. One is big and one is small. So by this way they can understand the concept of big and small also. So you can integrate all the things with this letter craft also. We can say them firstly you paste the line in a straight way and then in a slipping way also. Now when you paste it like this, it becomes letter L. Lion. Okay. Now then for the face you can give them the circle and then they pasted a circle for face, and then you give them the legs, 4 legs. So we will paste it like this. They will paste it like this, 4 legs also like this. So the legs, 4 legs, and this will done. And then you can give them the this different color of rectangle, a small line for a tail, and they paste the tail also here like this. And now for the eyes you can give the Google eyes also, or tell them to make 2 small circles with black sketch pen. Now make a nose, the mouth, and then for a lion we can tell them to paste these lines like this. You can paste all the lines like this way. So by the crafting way they can create lion in such a manner they can understand the things, that they can understand the concepts also, the shape concept as well as the big and the small concept, shapes like rectangle, circle and all these things, and the letter also they can create. And they can create a letter craft. Letter craft means they can create the animals or an object in that letter from which they started. So it is completed now, and look, it looks very interesting way. So then it's so cover it. So this is a craft way. So here are so many more are also, like this is a lizard. So and this is a one more way of lion, and you can tell them with colors also. So for the colors we take this type of a color, any watercolor, and tell them with the finger only. They can do it with the finger. Take the color in a finger and then say draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. Now they understand what is the straight line, so they can draw it like this, and then tell them draw a slipping line. They draw a slipping line also. Now we want to create, now the letter L is here. Now we want to create ladder from letter L. So draw one more straight line from this side and then draw some more slipping lines here. So draw some more slipping lines here. So it becomes ladder. So it becomes ladder. So from letter L we create ladder also. We create ladder also. So after this, when you are telling them for small letters, you can say this is a small L. So you can tell them also with the small L you can make so many things, like this lion is here, we can make lollipop. Lollipop we can also make. So draw a straight line. So it becomes letter L with small l, with the straight line, small letter L, and then we tell them just take a crayon and then draw circles like this. So it becomes lollipop. So you can tell them like this way. So it is an integrated work which we can do with the art. So I hope all of you like this video and tell to your students with integrated courses, like how we tell them, teach them in as an English subject as a integrated with art. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, then please subscribe and share it also. Thank you so much.